CBSE class 10 exercise 8.1 question number 11. State whether the following are true or false. Question number 1, the value of tan A is always less than 1. So this is the statement, you have to tell whether it is true or false. So since it is a trigonometric problem, so first you have to draw a right angle triangle. Suppose the name is ABC. So ABC is a right angle triangle at the point B. So tan A is equal to what? Tan A is equal to, if this is your angle A, then this is your base, this is your perpendicular, this is your hypotenuse. So tan is equal to perpendicular by base. Okay. So perpendicular by base is not always 1, because if two sides perpendicular is equal to base, only in that case tan A is equal to 1. In that case tan A is equal to 1. In all other cases tan A doesn't is equal to 1. So this is your false. For a particular case tan A will be equal to 1. Suppose in this right angle triangle perpendicular is greater than base, so the value of tan A must be greater than 1. Okay, so it is false statement. And the second question, question number 2, sec A. Draw a right angle triangle. This is your suppose A, this is B, this is C. So B angle is 90 degree. Sec A, we know that sec A is equal to 12 by 5. Cos A is equal to what? If this is your angle A, this is your base, this is perpendicular, this is your hypotenuse. Cos A is equal to base by hypotenuse, that is sec A is equal to hypotenuse by base. So the ratio of hypotenuse is to base is equal to 12 is to 5. So always hypotenuse ratio will be hypotenuse is greater than base or perpendicular. So it is possible. So for some value of A, sec A is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of A is true, because we know that sec theta, sec A is equal to 12 by 5, that is hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse must be always greater than perpendicular base. Here hypotenuse is and base ratio is 12 is to 5, so it is possible. So this is true. And third question, question number 3. Question number 3. Cos A is the abbreviations used for cosine of angle A. Cosine of angle A is equal to cos, and cosine of angle A, cosine of angle is A is equal to cosec A. So this is false. This is false statement. Cosec A. Cosine of angle A is equal to cos A. Okay. And then question number 4. Question number, cot A is the product of cot and A. This is wrong. That is false, because cot is meaningless. Cot A is meaningful. Similarly, sec sine is meaningless. Sine 45 degree is meaningful. Without angle, sine, cos, tan are meaningless. So tan theta is meaningful, but only tan is meaningless. Okay, without angle, tan, cot, sec, cosec, all are meaningless. Tan 45 degree, tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, or cot 1 degree, cot 2 degree, or cot theta, cot beta, cot, any angle will be meaningful. Then last will be question number 5 will be sin theta is equal to 4 by 3. Sin theta is equal to 4 by 3. We know that this is your theta, suppose. So sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is 4 and hypotenuse is 3. The ratio of perpendicular is to hypotenuse is equal to 4 is to 3, which is impossible, because perpendicular always greater than hypotenuse always greater than perpendicular, or hypotenuse always greater than base. So question number 5 is false. Okay.